We discuss Zank viscera. This time we focus on the liver function, storage of blood. The liver is located underneath the diaphragm on the right side behind the ribs. Its meridian connects it to the gallbladder, with which it forms an interior-exterior relationship. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. Its main functions are storage of blood, regulation of the total quantity of circulating blood, regulation of the emotions, promotion of the circulation of qi and blood, promotion of the metabolism of fluids, and regulation of menses. The ancient physicians grouped these functions in two broad categories, that of storage of blood and that of conduction and facilitation. The liver has the capacity to store blood and to regulate the volume of circulating blood. Blood is generated from the essential nutritive substances of drink and food, transported and transformed by the spleen and the stomach. Following generation, a portion of the blood is placed in circulation to convey nourishment to the entire body, and another portion is placed in storage in the liver. Thus, the liver is the principal organ for the storage of blood. It is essential that there is a reserve store in the liver should there be need for additional food. Under general conditions, the volume of blood in circulation through the viscera, the tissue, and the other organs of the body is relatively constant, but it must respond to changing requirements depending upon the body's functional state and to the influences of changes in the weather so that it may be regulated appropriately. For example, when a person is at rest or asleep, the requirements of the various organs and tissues are reduced, and a portion of the blood is removed from circulation by the liver for storage. During physical activity or when the person is under emotional upheaval, the requirements for blood are increased. The liver now releases its stored blood to enter the circulation. Because it has this function of storing blood and the ability to regulate the volume of blood in circulation, the liver is the sea of blood. The functional activities of all parts of the body are closely linked to the liver. This function of the liver in storing blood manifests two principal types of pathological changes. The first type is due to insufficient stores of blood, so that the amount of blood in circulation cannot meet the requirements of the body. This may give rise to dizziness, blurred vision, night blindness, numbness in the limbs, oligomenorrhea or decreased menses, and even amenorrhea, cessation of menses. The second type is due to the liver not storing unneeded blood, leading to bleeding of various types, such as hematemesis or vomiting of blood, hemoptysis, coughing of blood, epistaxis, nosebleed, metrorrhagia, heavy uterine bleeding, metastaxis, slight uterine bleeding. Thank you for your attention.